How to boost volume on Android phone if too quiet. So if you want to boost your volume on your Android phone if it's too quiet, then first you need to open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down and you need to find sounds and vibration option. Under sounds and vibration, make sure that your do not disturb option is turned off, and you can simply choose any option from here like media volume, ring volume, notification volume, and alarm volume. So you can simply choose any category that you would like to boost your volume. So if you go with media volume, then it will enhance or it will boost your volume on your Android phone. If these doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just open up your Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with search. Under search, you need to search for volume booster. Once you've searched for the volume booster, you will have a lot of applications right here. So you just need to simply go with any application that you're comfortable with and then go and install the application. Once you install the application, then it will increase your volume or it will boost your volume on your Android phone. Make sure all of the settings options are turned on. You can just go with the menu and tap on settings, and then you can turn on all of the options and it will boost your volume. So that's how you can boost volume on your Android phone if it's too quiet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.